ऑल इन्फॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग द एक्सपोर्ट क्रेडिट गारंटी कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया ECGC एग्जाम अपना 16 तारीख को, तो ECGC के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ना चाहिए, उसमें क्वेश्चन आएंगे। ECGC जो कि एस्टेब्लिश हुआ था इन जुलाई 1957 में टू स्ट्रेंथन द एक्सपोर्ट प्रमोशन ऑफ कवरिंग द रिस्क ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ द क्रेडिट। Okay, it functions as an administrative control, development of commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industry and the Government of India. It is managed, क्या manage करता है? Managed by an asset management company and comprising the representatives of the RBI, RBI and banking and insurance exporting communities. The name of the company has been changed from Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India Limited to ECGC Limited with an effect from 8th of August 2014. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये वाली चीज़ आने वाली है कि ECGC का नाम कब चेंज हुआ था। एक्सपोर्ट क्रेडिट गारंटी कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड से ECGC हुआ था 8 अगस्त 2014 में, एंड द सर्टिफिकेट इशूड बाय द Deputy Registrar of Companies, Registrar of Companies, Mumbai. ECGC is the seventh largest credit insurer of the world. It's the seventh largest credit insurer in the world in terms of coverage of the national exports. The present paid up share capital is 3190 crore. Authorized कितनी है? 5000 करोड़. Presently available है 3190 करोड़. Authorized है 5000 करोड़. ये seventh largest credit insurer है in the world में in terms of export credit. Government of India has initially the set up Export Risk Insurance Corporation in July 1957, and that was transformed into Export Credit Guarantee Corporation ECGC in 1964, and to the Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India in 1983. Functions: it provides a range of credit risk insurance coverage to the exporters against the loss in credit in export of goods and services as well. Offers guarantee to banks and the financial institutions to enable exporters to obtain better facility from them. Provide overseas investment insurance to Indian companies investing in joint ventures abroad in form of equity or the loans advances. फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइडेड बाय ECGC. अब ECGC कौन कौन सी फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करता है? ये इंश्योरेंस देता है, इंश्योरेंस प्रोटेक्शन देता है किसको? एक्सपोर्टर्स को अगेंस्ट द पेमेंट रिस्क. Provide guidance for the export related activities. Make available information on the different countries within their own credit rating. Make it easy to obtain the export finance from the bank financial institutions. Assist exporters in covering bad debt. Provide information on the credit worthiness of overseas buyers. Credit worthiness of overseas buyers, yes. Short term credit guarantee इंश्योरेंस है ECGC 1957 मुंबई महाराष्ट्र. इसके चेयरमैन एंड MD भी हमें याद रखने चाहिए, M सेंथिलनाथन. गवर्नमेंट ने अप्रूव किया है 400 crore investment in ECGC in 5 years to provide the exporter support of the exporters to the as well as the bank. गवर्नमेंट ने अप्रूव किया है 4400 crore का इन्वेस्टमेंट इन ECGC in 5 years. Government under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken the series of measures to provide a boost of the exporter sector. In line with this, the government approved in capital infusion of 4400 to ECGC, formerly as an export credit over the 5 years. Okay, the approved infusion along with an efforts has been stably synchronized with the listing process of ECGC through the initial public offering will increase the underwriting capacity of ECGC. ECGC established by the Government of India under Companies Act 1957 fought to promote exporters by providing the credit insurance services to the exporters against non-payment risk to overseas buyers due to commercial and the political reasons. It is also provide the insurance covers. अभी हमने ऊपर सब कुछ पढ़ लिया. It plays a vital role in supporting exports from labor incentive sectors and encourage the bank lending to the enterprises of small exporters, thereby leading to their rival. Capital infusion in ECGC will enable it to expand its coverage to export oriented industry, particular labor incentive sectors that provide the installments, and they're increasing the capacity to underwrite risk of 88,000 crores and enable ECGC to issue to cover additional support of 5.28 lakh crores in the 5 years of period in the existing pattern. The term report Export to Jobs, published by World Bank and the International Labour Organization in the 5.28 lakh crore exports to the formalization of 2.6 lakh workers. Total number of workers will increase by 59 lakh as per the report. ECGC Performance highlight. It's a market lender with 85% market share in ECGC in India. Export of ECGC was 6 lakh crore in 21 and 8% of merchandise. Number of distinct exporters benefited was 7232 and 9535 export credit insurance for the bank. 97% of the small exporters. ECGC इंश्योर करता है क्या 50% ऑफ टोटल एक्सपोर्ट क्रेडिट डिसबर्समेंट बाय बैंक, और इसके अंदर 22 बैंक्स आते हैं, 12 तो पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक है और 10 प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक है। इंश्योर कितना करता है ये 50% ऑफ टोटल एक्सपोर्ट क्रेडिट डिसबर्समेंट बाय बैंक, और जिसमें से भी 22 बैंक्स हैं, इसमें 22 बैंक्स आते हैं, जिसमें से 12 तो पब्लिक सेक्टर PSBs हैं एंड बाकी private sector banks है. ECGC has a database of over 5 lakh overseas buyers. It has to be settlement claim of 75 crore in the last decades. Okay. It has invested. What it has invested? 11.7 million in African trade insurance ATI so as to facilitate Indian exports to the African market. ECGC has shown continuous surplus and made divided payments to government for the last 20 years. Ministry of Commerce in the Industry Act through Export Credit Guarantee Operation has introduced the new Export Credit Guarantee Corporation called the NIRVIC to enhance loan availability and ease the lending process. Enhance loan availability and ease the lending process. UIIC भी हमें पढ़ लेना चाहिए। UIIC इंश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड की हिस्ट्री क्या है? UIIC को फाउंड किया था कहाँ पे? चेन्नई ने ऑन 18 फरवरी 1938। ये कब फाइंड हुआ था? ECGC was established in 57 and UCGC was in 38 as Unified India Fire General Insurance Company Limited. 1978 the name was changed to United India Insurance. पहले ये जनरल इंश्योरेंस था, अभी ये इंडिया इंश्योरेंस हो गया, यूनाइटेड इंडिया इंश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड। ओनरशिप किसके पास है? UIIC is a public sector and general insurance company fully owned government of India and it under the control of Ministry of Finance. Products. UIIC क्या ऑफर करती है? एक इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट है इंक्लूडिंग द कवरेज ऑफ बुलॉक कार्ड्स एंड द सैटेलाइट्स। बुलॉक कार्ड्स एंड सैटेलाइट। ओके, हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ पे है? चेन्नई में है क्योंकि चेन्नई की कंपनी है। नंबर ऑफ ऑफिसेज 15 मोर देन 1500 ऑफिसेज हैं इसके। प्ले होल्डर्स इसके 1.74 करोड़ पॉलिसी होल्डर्स हैं। स्कीम्स UIIC has been a leader in implementing the Government of India's Universal Health Insurance Program, Vijaya Ranji Janani Kalyan Yojana and Tsunami Jan Bima Yojana. UIIC Company Limited. It has a network of 6 large cooperative business cells, 366 division offices, 558 branch offices, 511 micro offices beside its head office in Chennai and 30 regional offices in the country. Incorporate 18 फरवरी in Chennai. Following is an issue. इतना नहीं पढ़ना होता और आप लोग ये पढ़ लेना, मुझे लगता नहीं है इतना ज़्यादा काम का होगा। Subsidiaries and associate UIIC hold 69.4%. किसका? Zenith Securities and Investment Limited and Union Government Company incorporated on 27th of August 1916. The company authorized capital is 20 lakhs and majority of insurance business in last 108 years and currently company operations are active and registered office of the company in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Associates Health Insurance TPA of India Limited, New Delhi based associate company with a paid up share capital of 120 crores. India International Insurance PTA is a Singapore based associate company with a total paid up share capital इतना नहीं पढ़ना होता and other companies. So that's all. मेन हमारा ECGC का एग्ज़ाम है और UIIC का भी है. So thank you for watching.